Good morning, children. So let us start the next topic in 8th standard. So first, our main topic is what? Transport system and plans. So under transport system and plans, let us see the important topic, that is nutrient elements in plants. Very important topic. First of all, you have to concentrate about this topic, nutrient elements in plants. Under this, the subtopic is nutrient elements in plants. So by just saying this term, what do you understand? Not only in human beings, even for plants also, they require nutrients for their growth and development. Isn't it? Just for human beings, how as we require proper nutrients, proper balanced diet to grow, to develop our strength and energy, definitely we require nutritious food, isn't it? Or balanced diet. In the same way, even for plants also, they must have some, that means they should have a nutritional requirement, isn't it? So, you have to understand whatever the food which is supplied to the plant, that has to be in the form of elements. Normally, even human beings also may supply food, nutritious food in the form of elements like iron, potassium, manganese, magnesium, vitamin. Isn't it? Even for plants also, they require some elements for their growth and survival. Isn't it? And whatever you are supplying for the plant, that supplement should be via water. You already know plant absorb the water and mineral salts from the earth, soil, isn't it? With the help of roots, roots are deeply penetrated into the soil. With the help of that roots, the water and the required elements, through water, required elements have been absorbed, isn't it? Now, whatever element you are supposed to add for the plant, that should be mixed with the water. Okay, you have to add with the water and you need to supply for the plants, isn't it? Now, actually, broadly if you see, these nutrients which are to be supplied to the plants are classified into two groups. In that, the first one is macronutrients and the second one is micronutrients. And the terminology itself is very clear. Terminology itself is very clear. That is, macronutrient is what? Micronutrient is what you have to understand. First of all, macronutrients are nothing but if the nutrients are required in the larger proportions, then such type of nutrients are called macronutrients. In the same way, vice versa. If the nutrients are required in a minimum proportions or in a trace form, then such type of nutrients are called as micronutrients. First of all, you need to categorize what type of nutrients comes under macronutrients and whereas what type of nutrients comes under micronutrients. Isn't it? Here, if you all open page number 23, 24 and 25, you can see the big table which shows the nutritional requirement of the plant, see, and role of the plant as well as deficiency, symptoms and also fertilizing sources. And it is quite interesting to know that even how if a person is, if a human being is suffering a nutritional deficiency, then will fall sick. Now we feel so that means we will be prone to any other disease. In the same way, it's quite interesting to know even plants also, if they don't have proper nutrition, even they also fall ill. Yeah, it's quite interesting actually, isn't it? Normally, we all know that if vitamin deficiency is present in our body, we will be affected with some other disease. Same pattern in plants also. If a person, and if a plant is having any deficiency of nutrients, then that plant will be affected with the disease. Here, big table of form is given of with micro and macronutrients. That table categorizes different sort of nutrients, okay, and their role, okay, and also deficiency of symptoms. If that plant is affected with any kind of nutrient deficient, what are the symptoms? Those all will be given. Okay. Now let us see what are the major division of macro and micronutrients. Normally, if we talk about macronutrients, commonly NPK. What are NPKs? Nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Along with this, magnesium. And also, here it is there, here calcium, very important. Calcium. Okay, these are grouped under macronutrients. And whereas micronutrients, iron, copper, zinc, this is silver for zinc, manganese, etc. Okay. These are different categories of macronutrients and these are the different categories of micronutrients. Now let us see how this micro and macronutrients deficiency if present in the plant, what will be the effect. All of you just look at the textbook. Meanwhile, I am taking the textbook like this and I'll show. See, first macronutrients, first nutrient, role in plant, that means what is its role, and deficiency symptoms, and fertilizer sources. Okay, what do you mean by fertilizer sources? That means if that plant is suffering with this nitrogen requirement, what fertilizer has to be supplied. Okay. See, first one, nitrogen, major constituent of all types of proteins. Of course, the NPK, very important. Nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. These are the major requirements of the plant. Okay, and essential for plant cell division and growth of the plant. Essential for the plant cell division means in order to prolong the species, cell has to be divided. Okay. So cell division and for growth of the plant. Even for the growth of the plant also, this nitrogen requirement is very important. And also, next one, involved in photosynthesis. You know how photosynthesis plays a very important role in the plant life, isn't it? This nitrogen also enhances the rate of photosynthesis. And the next one is important component of vitamins. Of course, this is an important component of vitamin, isn't it? NPK. Then helps in production and use of carbohydrates. It also helps in production of use of carbohydrates in the sense nothing but it helps in the photosynthesis process. And what are the deficiency if the plant is suffering with the deficiency of this nitrogen? What are the effects? See, generally yellowing of older leaves will be, and rest of the plant is often light green. Mostly leaves will be yellowing. Color of the leaves will be turning completely into yellow, and also often the remaining parts will be light green color. Next, how it should be supplied? See, with the words ammonium nitrate or urea, manures also can be used. Even with this supplement, we can satisfy the nitrogen requirement. Okay, manures, organic manures will be there, chemical manures will be there. Okay, first organic manures are very important for the plant growth and development. Here you see next, phosphorus. Okay, see. Involved in the vital life process in plants such as photosynthesis, respiration and cell division. And you already know photosynthesis process is a very important process where plants can produce their own food substances. Isn't it? Here, in life process such as photosynthesis, respiration and cell division. And here enhances root formation and growth. Very important. It also enhances the root formation for the development of the root. And also what? And growth of the plant. Next, improves quality of fruits, vegetables and food grains. Very important. If phosphorus percentage is good in the plant, it enhances it improves the quality of the fruit as well as vegetables and food grains. Okay, very important. Necessary for seed formation. You know how seed plays very important role in the plant life. With the help of seed, the new plant arises. Okay. Next, helps to withstand harsh winter conditions. Very, very important. Even in harsh winter conditions also helps. Fastens maturity. Fastens maturity means soon if the plant matures, soon it changes into fruit and fruit to again seed like that. The development will be fast. Okay. Then what happens if this phosphorus content is low? See, tip of the leaves look burnt and purple and red spot on leaves. Purple and red spot on the leaves you can see, and as well as tip of the leaves look burnt. It seems burnt in the sense as completely dry one. Okay. Next, in the words phosphate or bone. That means what? Phosphate or bone means with the phosphate and with this requirement, this can be satisfied. Okay. Next, potassium helps in breakdown and transportation of starch. Breakdown in the transportation of starch in the sense what? Normally, you all know that food is synthesized in the plant with the help of what? Photosynthesis process. Now, as a part of photosynthesis process, glucose is synthesized. That glucose, after synthesizing, it will be storing in the plant in the form of starch, directly not in the form of glucose. Then whenever energy is required for the plant to perform photosynthesis process, in that case, this starch is converted into glucose. With the help of that glucose, again it changes into energy. Okay, this is the actual mechanism. Okay, next thing. Regulates the closing and opening of stomata. You already know stomata helps in the opening and closing. With the help of stomata only, gases exchange takes place. Okay, it also helps in opening and closing of stomata. This potassium. Then vital for the formation of proteins, improves seed and fruit quality. Same. Okay, activates enzyme and controls their reaction rates. You know, enzymes also very, very important for the plant growth. Then their enhancement is also in the hands of potassium. Then increase disease resistance, very, very important. Disease resistance is very much useful for the plant. It has nothing but immunity power. How we have immunity power in the same way. For plants, they need to develop the resistance power. Next, older leaves will look burnt. Same. The leaves will become older and dry. It looks like a dry one. Then yellowing of leaves begins at the base due to insufficient chlorophyll formation. Yellowing of the leaves takes place it seems, at the beginning of the leaf. Then potassium or potash. Okay. Next, calcium. Necessary for the formation of the nuts in peanuts. Very, very important. Calcium percentage is good in the peanuts. The nuts formation will be very good. Okay. That stimulates microbial activity. What do you mean by microbial activity? Some important microbes are also used for the development of the plant. Next, participate in metabolic process of uptake of other nutrients. Metabolic activities. It helps in the participation of metabolic activities. Then regulates the opening and closing of stomata, the same role. Next, new leaves at the top of the plant are distorted or regularly shaped. Okay, causes blossom end rot. Okay, causes a blossom end rot means that doesn't show any growth. Next, calcium and gypsum can also be used, can also be supplied. Next, magnesium. Magnesium is also one of the important major nutrient requirement for the plant. Okay, let's see. Key element of a chlorophyll production that improves the use and transport of phosphorus, component of many plant enzymes, increases utilization of iron in plants, influences plants maturity. Very, very important. Plants maturity. Older leaves turn yellow at edge, leaving a green around shaped in the center of the leaves. Older leaves turn to yellow color. Okay, by leaving the edge green it seems. Okay, completely effective with the disease. Here also magnesium and magnesium sulfur. Okay, next one is sulfur. Integral part of the plant protein helps in the development of enzymes and vitamins. Enzymes and vitamins development is seen with the help of this sulfur. Then promotes nodule formation on legumes. You know, rhizobium bacteria, root nodules of leguminous plants. You know, they take nitrogen requirement, isn't it? Next, helps helps in seed production. Production of seeds is also under the control of this sulfur. Next, necessary in chlorophyll formation. Very, very important. Green color pigment which is present in the plant. Okay. Younger leaves turn yellow. Sometimes it is also followed by older leaves. First, younger leaves also turns into yellow color. Then followed by older leaves. Okay. These are all macronutrients. Very, very important. Their role and everything in the plant. Okay. Next, let us see micronutrients. Okay, that is boron, copper, iron, manganese, and molybdenum and zinc. Okay. See, necessary for the germination of a pollen grains and growth of pollen tubes. You know how pollen grains helps in the production of the new plants. You know, it's a what do you say? It's a reproductive method. Essential for seed and cell wall formation. Very, very good. Next, promotes maturity. Yes. Necessary for sugar translocation. Sugar translocation means just now I said no. Starch has to be converted into glucose. Then the energy is required. Next, terminal buds die and result in the formation of the witch's plumes form. Okay. Within the words borax and borate. Borax in the form of borax and borate, you can supply this boron. Next, copper C catalyzes various plant processes involved in the chlorophyll production, improves flavor of fruits and vegetables. Very good. Flavor and fruit of the flavor and what do you say? Flavor of the fruits and vegetables is in the hands of this copper. Okay, leaves are dark green. Stunted plant growth. Stunted plant growth means what? Growth will be restricted to only particular phase. Will not be prolonged. Next, iron promotes the formation of chlorophyll. Constituent of proteins, carries oxygen in plants involved in division and growth. So, oxygen supply is also in the hands of iron, isn't it? You know the central mediator of the chlorophyll is iron. So with this iron only, most of the activities will be going on in the plant. Yellowing occurs between the wings of the young leaves. If this vitamin deficiency is there, this will happen. Okay. Next, it will be supplied in the form of iron HCl. Next, manganese constituent of various enzymes helps in the formation of a chlorophyll, increases the availability of potassium and calcium. Okay. Next, allowing the leaves occur between the wings of the young leaves and form fronds. These are activities. What happens? Okay. Fizzle top. Nothing but okay. Within the words, manganese are magnesium. Manganese often rich with the zinc application. That means with this you can supply this manganese. Next, molybdenum constitutes of the enzyme that reduces the nitrates to ammonium in the plant. Aids in the formation of the legume nodules. Rhizobia, bacterial nodules, the required to convert inorganic phosphates to organic form. Very, very important. Until it is converted to inorganic to organic, plant will not be utilized. Okay. Then generally yellowing of older leaves at the bottom of the plant, the rest of the plant is often light green. The molybdenate or molybdenate in the form of this we can supply this. Then zinc, constituent of the plant growth hormones and enzyme system necessary for chlorophyll production. Necessary for starch formation, helps in seed formation. Okay. Then terminal leaves may be roasted, yellowing occurs between the veins of the leaves. Okay, with the word zinc. Okay, these are all important micro and macronutrients. With the help of this micro and macronutrients only, plant can withstand in any adverse situations. By using this micro and macronutrients only, plant can survive and also it helps in the production of the food. Okay, with this we have completed the first chapter, that is transport system in plants. This is the last one. Okay, nutrient elements in plants. So tomorrow what you people will be doing is actually under micro and macronutrients. First of all, you try to buy micronutrients, then macro. Otherwise, macro first, then micro. First, go with the macronutrients. What are the write on the list of all micro and macronutrients? What is their role in the plant? If that vitamin or that nutrient is deficient, what happens? Okay, symptoms. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Thank you.